Textile fabric is produced in different forms or different types of weaves like plain weave, satin weave, lino weave, jacquard weaves. Today we have to discuss the jacquard weave structure, properties, and applications of this fabric. When we talk about the jacquard weave structure, it has complex woven pattern made using a jacquard loom, allowing intricate designs. The term intricate design refers to a pattern, structure, or composition that is highly detailed, complex, and often delicate. It usually involves fine craftsmanship. Properties highly decorative and luxurious fabric is produced stronger than printed fabric. Design is woven, not printed. Can be heavyweight or lightweight. It depends upon construction and depends upon the count of yarn or count of raw material. What are the effects of a jacquard weave produced fabric on GSM of fabric, dyeing effect, and complexity? GSM very high GSM due to dense structure of jacquard weave. For the case of dyeing effect, patterned areas may absorb dye differently. Complexity in production extremely high requires advanced looms or high craftsmanship as we have discussed in initial slides. What are the applications of jacquard weaved fabric? It is used in upholstery and home decor, brocade, damask, and tapestry. Further, luxury clothing, jacquard suiting, designer dresses. And the end, it is used for religious and historical textiles also. So these are the vast applications of jacquard looms or jacquard produced fabric that is produced in jacquard weave form. When we talk about the strength, there are two types of strength, tensile strength and tear strength. Tensile strength varies depends on yarn type and weave density, while the tear strength moderate to low complex designs have may have the weak points in fabric that would decrease the tear strength of that fabric. We can conclude that for strength and durability, twill weave like denim and workwear is the best. For luxury and smooth texture, satin weave is used in high-end fashion and decor. While for the breathable and open fabrics, lino weave net gauze is most suitable as for breathability you can say nets and gauze are mostly used. For basic or cost effective fabric, plain weave that is used for shirting, bags and tents that is ideal with respect to cost effective fabric. For the case of heavy duty upholstery and decorative fabric, jacquard weave is preferred. I hope by this lecture your concept about the applications and effect in dyeing process and what is the effect on tear strength and Tensile strength of jacquard weaves fabrics will be very clear.